Hi everyone, this is Abrar. Welcome to Abrar Knowledge channel. Today we are going to discuss about Pareto. Pareto is all about 80-20 principle. You might have heard this term, and also it is called 80 percentage of the issue come from, or 80% of the effect come from 20 percentage of the causes. This is my 11th lesson of Lean Six Sigma, and Pareto, all it comes down to highlight the most important factor which is contributing for the problem. So which is also for many issues. In generally speaking, for all these issues, instead of focusing on all the parameter, if you just jerk it down and focus upon the high contributor factors, that is what the Pareto aims to do. It brings down the big factors, set of factor which is typically contribute for the problem. So I have picked up, to demonstrate a point, I have picked up a very quick example of a laptop. A laptop have got various reasons of rejections or defects. These are all the reasons. So typically we have 12 reasons. The reason number one is a scratch on display, crack on keyboard, keyboard and functions key is missing, all the way it goes down, charger with different app. So these are all the defects. So whatever the defect you have, you can have a put it down here. And for the better explanations, and also I have put this secondary reason also as well. This is not required, just to elaborate a point about the secondary reason or the grouping one. You can also do this secondary reasons or the grouping, you can also do it. So for that your analysis will become easy. You can just see how many issues are pertaining to laptop alone, or how many are associated with power cable and laptop and the packaging issue. So these are all the quantity of failures or the defects quantity. We have 95 quantity, and always in the Pareto, we need to bring the highest to lowest. So highest value we need to put it on the top, and the lowest value will remain in lower one. So in this one, so 19 quantity of issues are pertaining to scratches on display. So all the way it goes, like one issue is pertaining to charger with a different amp. So this is the contribution percentage. So maybe I will demonstrate to you how to do it in Excel, and the same thing I will also will take you to Manytab also as well, and how we can do it in Manytab also I will demonstrate to you. So you can give equal to 19 is a source by 95. So 95 will apply for all. So I'm going to lock down this field, have enter. So this is 20 percentage, and then either way you can copy and paste to rest of the cell, or you can just have a plus mark and drag and drop this one. So if you drag up, so it will also will give this percentage. So put together it will be 100 percentage. So the cumulative percentage, so Pareto is all about the cumulative percentage. So you can give 20 percentage and 16 plus the previous one, that is 20 percentage, and again you can just drag this up. So this has become 100 percentage now. So how to do a graph? So this is simple. You can select this one, the table, the array table, and then you can go to chart. You can just select the appropriate chart, and you can do a slicing and dicing. So if you wanted to have a the add label, you can just add the label. If you wanted to bring this number up, you can just do formatting, and you can just bring this up here also as well. If you wanted to make this font as a bold, you can do that. So this is what, so what it graph shows depicts is 80 percentage. So if you look at out of 12 issues, if you could focus 1 2 3 4 5 6 issues, so most of the critical one, 80 percentage, you will be 80 percentage of the causes or the effect, you will be able to control it. Okay, so let's go and use the same thing in the Manytab. To do in Manytab, you don't need this column D and E, because this is, I have done it because in the Excel we may need to do it, but in Manytab will do automatically by itself. Just copy down these data, go to Minitab and have a paste it. Go to Start and Quality Tools and Pareto chart, have a go and click it. Defects are attribute data. This meaning like the defect reasons, and frequency is nothing but the quantity. Have a go and enter it. If you wanted to give options like x, what it x denotes, like this is defects reason of a laptop and y is the quantity, and this is laptop defect Pareto, and have a go and give OK. So when you give that, the chart is ready now. So how quickly we can do it in Minitab? In no time we can do it in Minitab. So it will give all these things what we have calculated with the help of formula. In Minitab it automatically comes down. So it gives like individual percentage, as well as it also gives the cumulative percentage. So if you wanted to modify this chart, this chart gives like what are the defects you have on the x-axis, y-axis it gives the quantity, and this is the cumulative percentage. So that means if you focus on 80%, you will be able to resolve most of the issues. Let's tweak this chart. Last Edit last dialog, I'm gonna include the secondary reason also as well. Just give OK. So you can have a double click on it, so it will appear big. So here you can also do this grouping also as well. Group like secondary reason group equal to laptop, how many issues, major issues are there only in laptop, and the second major is the laptop and power cable, and third one is the packaging, and the fourth one is power cable. So like this you can always have the secondary or grouping also as well, so that your analysis become much efficient way. So thank you so much. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. You have a nice day ahead.